Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. It is 2 days before Memorial weekend. It is the 12th week of COVID. Hopefully you remember this video. This video for my SEO guy is going to be about how to retrofit a ceiling fan extension rod when the box store, I can't say the name, but the big box stores sell the wrong adapter for the wrong fan. So the adapter for the small fan came with this. No threads on both sides. It is by Harbor Breeze. This right here was the rod she bought. And when you put in a threaded rod to a non-threaded piece to extend it, because she has a vault in the ceiling, it will wobble. So if you're an electrician, you cut this off with my handy dandy bandsaw. Wicked tool, my favorite tool on the truck. It's awesome for conduit. You could do a sawzall, but it won't be as fine. Take a plumber reamer. Voila. Get a file, which I will inside on the edge. You don't want to cut your wires. Take your old rod, line it up. I drilled mine a little smaller so it's a little more snug like a bug. And ka-chow. Now, I have been doing this for 20 years, on my own for 15, and then 2.5 years as an appliance tech before. But sometimes you got to really think out of the box, because if I show up to the job and the customer bought the rod, the fan, and I told them ahead of time and they didn't know, guess what? What, am I supposed to set up everything and then look at the job and then drive off because it didn't work and I don't get paid? I'm still charging for my minimum of the hour. It wasn't my fault. So evidently the big box stores can't color code threaded to non-threaded rods, though I have asked them. I've had this issue for 15 years. It is so frustrating. So guys, just cut it off yourself, ream it, drill a hole, use a unibit. It's got to be sharp. It's a starter bit. I like Greenlee. I like Lennox. So good bits. Has to be fresh and new, otherwise it won't catch. It'll just sit there and smoke. But yeah, so once that's in, you're good to go. That's not going to wobble now, because that thread and that diameter that they take off with the threader is about 1/8 of an inch, and it will wobble. You can try putting some 3M tape, but it will wear out and squish and push to the side. This is really the only way to do it. All right, guys, hopefully you can think out of the box when you're stuck on a job and you feel like a prisoner at the house because of the box store that bought something from the China store and shipped it on a boat. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.